Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Pokémon TCG app on your iPhone. So let's begin. First, let's go to our Apple Store. Then click on search. Now you can see the search bar and click on it and type Pokémon TCG app. TCG Pocket app. Now click search and you can see the Pokémon TCG app here, Pocket app here. Now click on it. You can see the get button. Click on it. It will show you the install now. Here you can see install, and it will ask for the App Store password. So let's give our App Store password here. Let's sign in. I have given my password, so let's sign in. Now it's done and it's downloading here. You can see here. Just wait a little bit. It is downloading. You can see it's downloaded here. Now open it. Congratulations, you have downloaded the Pokemon TCG apps. So this way you can download the Pokemon TCG app, Pocket app. That's it. Hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you next time.